I'm gonna let Mommy stack the cabinets how she wants. See how they just fit nicely in there. I get the light switch on. I put this dimmer switch on. I installed that and put a different light bulb up there so she could have this dim down here if she wants the light on, you know, late at night if she's meditating or doing anything like that. And she can still do that with these cabinets in here. Okay. And this thing still fits in there. It almost fits like where it's needed to be, and I didn't want it to stick out beyond the corner over there. And I could have slid this over to the right a little bit, then slid this over and over, but I think it's fine. It gives us plenty of room to get in and out of this little area. Then I'll redo her mat. I'm not sure if it'll fit here or not. I think it will. If not, I'll roll up the edge of it or something, and we'll make it work. Okay, now she can put all this stuff away in her little room. Yeah, that's nice. Now, if you happen to see any marks on here that you don't think you can get off or whatever, flip the box around, put it into the back. The place where that one came off was on the back in there. It would have been on the front, but I put it on, I flipped it around, put it in the back. I put felt tip mark on it. Nobody's ever gonna see it, but now I know I've done the best that I could, and it looks great. Now, if you want, you can save the direction sheet, but I don't think you need to anymore. But you got the direction sheets. Remember, I said it came from Better Homes and Gardens. See there? They have all kinds of different ones you can get. There's a nice little desk unit. That would have been kind of slick. See, I think this is the one Mommy got right there. See, she could have gotten a taller one. Had she had more stuff, we could have put a tall one. That one, remember there's two in there. We could have put a tall one on the right-hand side and just the short one on the left-hand side, or maybe the tall one could have fit. But we decided not to do that. She can hang something there. We can put a picture there or anything. We can use that top for different things. She can put some candles on there. She could put something else on there or whatever. But you know, if she had more exercise stuff than this, we would have just looked at this. See here, if you got a big wall, you could get a cubby big old huge like that or something like that. Even something like that and flip it sideways. You know, depending on the length. Maybe that is longer than two of those together or something like that. They came in all kinds of different colors here too. Gray, black, rustic gray finish, espresso finish, white, weathered finish. Not bad. From Better Homes and Garden. Oh, and here it says create your own stylish storage. Say that 5 times fast. Stylish storage at walmart.com. Okay. Nice. Last but not least, you probably already know this, but when you get all done with something, put all your stuff away. I'll make sure I pick up my dowels, my Allen wrenches. I've got 2 Allen wrenches now. Extra that I can put in my toolbox. I've got 2 dowels. I've got 2 of those little black deals, those caps that I can use for screws or something. And I can throw the rest of the stuff away, vacuum up, make it look like I was never here. And here's something else. Out of the box, I found 2 little pieces of paper, and it was a subscription, a 12-month subscription to Home and Garden. In each box, I could put the address on here. We can keep one, but I have to send those in. And I wouldn't have known it had I not seen them. And so check all your stuff. And I found 2 of those, and I'm gonna find a friend who might want the Home and Garden, and I'll put their address on there, and they'll get 12 issues, and we'll get 12 issues, all because I looked in the box and didn't throw them away. Okay, that's it from here. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.